Nitro. Da 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 da.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, Linda, what a great girl.
Crisp, refreshing coffee, caffeine.
All right, so here's our plan. We're in Michigan. We're biking from Holland. We took the train up to Holland, biking from Holland to Grand Rapids, doing a little brewery tour while we're here. A little lunchtime, New Holland beers. Mwah. The goal is to get to Founders and hopefully Brew Vivant tonight.
Yeah. Oh, we're gonna get there.
Oh, we're gonna get there and enjoy a little pure Michigan. Our goal is to drink as much coffee and as much beer as we can. Okay, not as much beer as we can because we're dang lightweights.
Responsible adults.
And trying to bike. What a cute town, eh?
Very cute.
This is Matt's childhood ice cream shop when he used to go vacation in Holland. Matt, do you want ice cream? Do you want some? We just had breakfast, followed by beer, followed by coffee, soon to maybe be ice cream. Kind of a big deal. George Bush had ice cream here.
Yeah. This place is well known.
I've never seen him so happy. He's trying to pretend he's not as happy as he is. He's so happy.
Point your camera at the ground. Look at this slappy fool. Look at this slappy fool.
Caramel flurry.
Shake.
Shake. So good. Yeah. Also, Matt and I were just saying, like, how awesome it is to be out of Chicago with our own bikes and not like on weird renting bikes or fold-up bikes that we've used before.
What a blessing.
What a blessing. Remember that dead fish was there on the ride back and not hit it. We just made it through bug-infested marshland. And we're getting close to Founders. There she is. Is the beautiful gal.
Peach cream ale. Which one do you like better? This is the Rubaeus. Nitro?
Definitely the Rubaeus, yeah. And what's this one
I
called?
like the peach cream ale.
Peach cream ale? Yeah. Pretty sweet. Just like Matt. Yay, breaking the music! Listen, I really love Founders. Sometimes live music is not good, just makes you want to go after one beer and drink it really quick.
Please don't exploit the sound space with shitty music.
So we paid a $5 cover a piece. That's not too bad. And $5 for a beer. And just drank and ran.
We literally had like the 10 ounce.
Yeah, the 10 ounce beer. Which was delicious.
It was amazing.
It's just the music. But otherwise, this is a great place.
The music did not.
Say it.
The music did not delight our taste buds like the drinks did.
It's okay. You should go to Founders though. All right, off to Brew Vivant. Kiss this music goodbye.
Bye.
So only a mile and a half from Founders to Brew Vivant. Watch me get in there and they're playing progressive jazz.
No. I'd run screaming.
The guy sitting on the floor playing bongos like at Founders.
It's the same guy, all of us.
This thing is ginormous. This is Citron. Very good.
The Vivant Mint.
Matt and I were just discussing, at the end of the day, all the food we ate, we'll probably have done 50 miles at the end of the day.
Yeah.
We are in calorie surplus
Yeah.
still.
I hope we burned a whole bunch more than we ate.
We are biking back. I am super full from Brewery Vivant.
Oh yeah?
I'm super full, dude. All that poutine.
Beer.
We have so it's 11 miles, but it's also like all on trails that aren't lit, and that bike light is dead. Y'all didn't charge it. Learning life lessons. I hope my light lasts. Oh boy, it's gonna be a long ride. You're gonna run over that dead fish.
No,
The giant bass. There's a
No,
giant
what's
bass.
that?
This is our view. Late at night, relying on one headlamp. And that right now we can't even see you on this video. Going through a tree canopy. Matt vetoed me scaring him. I'm not allowed to scare him at all on this bike ride home.
No.
No! Never snitch allowed. Good, because I'm not allowed to scare myself either. Also, we saw a skunk earlier. We survived that. Alright. Hopefully we'll see you live later. Bye! This is the last thing they find when they find our video. Okay, sorry. Whoops. That was scaring you. We survived Indian Mountains. The dark trails without any
Survived
lights.
something I
Oh, no, I
didn't
don't
think.
like.
Oh fuck, that's scary.
Matt's jumpy. This just came on. Matt jumped. We survived Indian Mountains with one light. And I didn't tell Matt until after we were through Indian Mountains that that's where they found Indian burial.
As a good husband
A place.
should not
And
tell
bones.
their spouse they're going through a scary area with crazy Indian burial grounds. Mm-mm. No, thank you.
You all beard and coffeeed up for a bike ride?
Yeah, let's do
That girl's drunk off of a couple small samples of beer.
just a couple samplers.
Yeah, but you